Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp. Yeah, we're trying to do this every single day, bro. Every single day. So hopefully these videos help you out in your journey to becoming a web developer with C Sharp. Focus, emphasis, or whatever, right? But please, before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the content that we're doing, please like and subscribe so we can just keep putting more videos. That motivates me to keep on uploading every single day. All right, let's do it. Okay, for this, we're going to start with our project. Um, we're going to create employee application. Employee application right here. Okay. Okay, that's ready. So we're going to be creating classes in object. All right, let's go to our project name. Let's create a class right here, and we're going to call this employee class. Okay, always capital letter. So the internal is like an access modifier for a class. Okay, so now, so when we create, so we gotta store, we gotta create some variables in our class. And when we create variables, they're called fields. Okay, we're going to be storing some data on these variables right here. So let's start. Let's say we're going to say public string. So this one is going to be first name, and then we'll have last name, string. Yeah, we're going to be a string, and then we have no title, but this is going to be email. Then we're going to have public int. Integer, we're going to have the number of hours worked. Okay, then we're going to have public, we're going to have a double, so we're going to do the wage right here. The next variable is going to be another double. It's going to be public, it's going to be double, and then right here is going to be our rate, our hourly rate. Okay, and then next one, we're going to have a const, going to have an int. We want this not to be changed. Minimal hours worked, which is going to be 1 hour. Okay, cool. So this is our class. So we create our variables. So now, so if we want our class to have some functionality, how can we accomplish that? We can accomplish that by creating methods. Okay, and that's how we're going to give it some functionality. So let's go ahead and create method right here. No, actually I forgot one more right here. So I forgot one more variable, which is going to be public. It's going to be a datetime, datetime, and then right here is going to be birthday, semicolon. Okay, now we can create some methods right here. We're going to say public, and we don't want this to be returned. It's going to be a void perform work, and then we're going to do open curly braces. Yeah, and right here we're going to Okay, we're going to leave it that as it is. So let's go to the next one. We're going to um, create another another, oh crap, what the heck, I'm thinking another method right here. Okay, and we're going to overload this method too right here. um, okay, give me 1 second, let me just check something really quick. No, okay, yes, let's do that. Public uh, uh, void, it's going to be the same thing. Perform work. Yeah, let's see. So we're going to do open curly braces. um, so public void perform work. So in this case, so we're using the same method. Yesterday I did um, a video about methods which we use over what the heck, overload methods. What I'm thinking, overload methods. I gotta remember that, overload methods. We did some overload methods right here. um, so because we're using the same, the only difference in the overload methods is the parameters are different. Yeah, the method could be called the same, but the parameters are different. Like in this case, the first one, it doesn't have any parameters, but the second method, that's the one that's going to have some parameters. We're going to say end number of hours, right here. And then right here we're going to do number of hours worked. We're going to do number of hours. Okay, so then we gotta do console right line semicolon right here, and in here we're going to do a string interpolation, and right here we're going to say the following. We want to have the first name, another one right here, another variable, last name, and then we're going to say has worked for number of hours, work. And here we're going to say hours. Could be hours, yeah, could be hour or hours. Okay, so then, okay, that's done. So let's create another variable right here. Another method right here. Public. What time is it? I'm getting pretty tired. No, no way. It's 2:08 already. Oh crap! I gotta go to bed. It's 2:08 a.m. Well, I wonder why my brain's not working that much. Cause I'm really tired, man. I gotta go to bed. Gotta go to work tomorrow. I mean, this morning in a few hours. I'm going to do double, and right here we're going to say receive wage. Receive wage. We're going to do bool. Going to pass a variable name is going to reset hours equals true. Okay, so we want this to return something, right? Boom, we're going to oh crap, yeah, return wage. Okay, cool. But also we want to do the following right here. We want to do wage equals number of hours worked times hourly rate. Okay, and then we're going to have console the right line, and right here we're going to say should we copy this part? No, actually, let's just do that, and then right here we're going to pass the same thing, first name, we got last name, and then also we're going to have has received, has been received, has received a wage of, and then you're gonna pass wage, for, we'll just do this for should we do this for, and then right here we're going to pass number of hours worked, and then we do hours hours of work. Okay, so that's looking good. Oh, now so we're gonna do our if statement right here, just to say if, I think that's what I needed right there. You reset hours, and then we're going to do number of hours worked equals 0. Okay, and then we get return wage. Okay, that's what you want. So we're going to create um, one more method, public void. We're going to say display employee details. Yeah, we want that. We need that. Semicolon, go back inside, and then we're going to use same stream interpolation, and then right here we're going to have some escape sequences. We're going to say back forward slash new line, so first name, and then we get tab, just tab, and then yeah, actually it's going to be tab twice, and then we'll say email, actually email. Okay, then we do new line, last name, and then we do oh, let's go back over here. Yeah, let's do that. We have we're going to have No, we're still inside here. So okay, now in there we're going to do tab, uh, so last name, new line, email, wait, first name. Let's see what we have. So we got first name. No, right here should be first name. I don't know what I'm doing right here. First name. Okay, we got first name right there. Last name. So we got last name. No, in this one right here, yeah, that's what we have. We should have um, email right here. Okay, new line. Then we have birthday. We got birthday right here. Okay, we'll do two short date string. Okay, as we have date string, and then we have new line. Okay, cool. So we gave some functionality to our employee class. Okay, that worked pretty good. Oh yeah, actually, we got a call like I created this first method right here, perform work. So right here we're going to be calling this over overload method right here. This next one, perform, and then we're going to pass right here minimal work hours. Okay, all right. That looks pretty good. So now we just go back to our. Oh no, actually, we need to create. Yeah, okay. We need to create a constructor right here. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's do right here. We're going to say public employee. Okay, right here we're going to be passing some parameters, and we're going to have a string first comma. We're going to say another string for last, and then we'll have another string called em, not the em, and then without daytime, types for birthday bd, and then we're going to have double rate. Okay, so right here we're going to have first name first, then we got last name last. Oh crap. Yeah, we got email. uh, yeah, we got what else? Got email, we got birthday bday. Okay, and then last one we got hourly rate equals rate. Okay, cool. So that's pretty good. So now we go to our main program. Let's create our object right here. Okay, but we're going to be doing our console right. Oh, come on, what's going on? Console right line, and right here we are going to say creating an employee, and then console. Okay, and then we'll say panel, new line, semicolon, and right here we're going to create our object right here. So we're going to have employee. Right here we're going to have name, so which we're going to call it Pastor. And what happened, Pastor? For to create an object, we have a keyword called new, and then the class name employee. So what happened is this Pastor variable name for our object is going to have access to all the different variables that we have in here, and also it's going to have access to our methods that we have. Okay, cool beans. Let's go back over here, and then here we are going to say the following. For name is going to be Pastor. That's what we created, right, for our constructor right here. Yep. Where is it? Right here, first and last. Okay, from the Pastor, and then I do have Canayo is my last name, comma, my email is going to be pastor at gmail.com. Then we got comma, and then I'm going to say new date time, and here we're going to have the format, comma is the year, the month, this is the date right here. Okay, okay, that were rate 25. Okay, let's close that. All right, so that's pretty good. So now we have access to that, so we just do pastor that. So we're going to do display, we're going to do our method display employee details pen, then we can just do pastor that perform work. It's control D, control D, control D. We're going to have 5 hours right here. 5 hours going to we're going to add in 5, and then we're going to do double receive wage pastor equals to pastor that receive method receive wage. This is going to be equals true, And then we got console. Console. Receive wage pastor. Okay. Yep. Let's see. So right here we're going to do our stream interpolation again, and then here we're going to say wage paid. Message from program. Then we're going to cut this variable right here, cut it and put it inside our curly brackets, and then that should be good. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. So okay, so should we run the program? Looks like everything is good. Let's run it. Take a second. Okay, creating an employee. First name Pastor. Too many tabs in here. Gotta fix that. Last name is Canayo. Email, it is pastor@gmail.com. Birthday, that's the birthday, the format that I added. And then Pastor Canayo has worked for 1 hour, 2 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. Pastor has received a wage of 200 for 8 hours of work. We pay message from program $200 for the 8 hours. So now, yeah, that worked pretty good. Alrighty, guys, so that was our first application. So hopefully this can help you out. There was just a lot that went into creating classes, creating variables, creating methods, and yeah, so that was pretty good. So hopefully this helped you. And yeah, I will see you next. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and talk to you later. Bye.